We're getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay?
So why have you got your eyes covered up? Because I have a surprise for you? Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
I brought you a surprise. What is that? They're face masks with Minnie Mouse on them, I think. Okay, take one out. Let's see what they are. And who they are. There's 3. Okay. So turn. Who is this? What is this one? Is that Minnie Mouse? And it has a rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, what else you got? This one. What's this one? Oh my gosh. Minnie Mouse, and she has her eyes closed. And what's this one? They all have rainbows.
I like the tiny one the best.
You like that one the best? Okay, let's put, you want to look in the mirror? Yeah. Okay, put it on so you can see which one you like the best. Upside down, yep. Wow. Okay, you want to see what the other ones look like? And then you can pick which one you're going to wear today?
I'm going to wear this one.
You're going to wear that one today?
Let me see.
Is that good? When we were in Cracker Barrel, she saw this Olaf, and I just put it on her backpack. I totally forgot her backpack was frozen, so that's perfect.
Oh.
You're doing so good. Okay, so who are you?
Elsa.
Elsa. So we asked you if you wanted 2 braids like Anna or 1 braid like Elsa, and you said Elsa.
Yeah.
It looks very, very nice.
Do the eyeshadow now?
You want eyeshadow now? Okay. And what is this room called? What did you just call this room?
It's a hotel.
No, this room when you walked in here. What did you call this room?
Oh, I said old place?
You said this was the makeup room.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You are doing so well with your eyes closed. Okay, look in this little mirror right here, you can see. Look down. Can you see it? Is that good? Whoa, you're so shiny, aren't you?
Let me see ours. Wow.
Yep, just like a princess. You all set? You comfortable? You ready to go play? Okay. We're enjoying the personalized license plates around here. So Skyla noticed this one says ARG. And then we just saw one that said baby girl. Okay. Oh, there's a couple playgrounds. There's one over there and then there's one over here. So we're putting mittens on her hands so she doesn't like touch the play equipment with her regular hands. That'll help. We're gonna fix it. Lakeland's gonna fix it. And then Skyland has to go run for lacrosse. Like she's required to run.
Open it. Straight out. It's on there. What's wrong with it?
We having issues. And what are you going to teach Lakeland today?
Slide.
She's so excited. She's going to teach you how to slide.
Okay.
Yeah. And there she goes. Okay. So they actually had 2 playgrounds, but the other one already had kids on it. So we came to this one, which is sad because normally you would want her you know, we'd pick the one with the kids so she would have kids to play with. But because of the virus, we're not. Well, she can't go down the slide because it is so dirty. I think they're all dirty.
That one.
This one's not as bad. Like I have a towel in that vehicle. He has longer arms, so he is going to pick the cleanest one. Are you hiding from me? All right, are you excited? He's going to clean it so you can slide. Oh yeah, that's definitely the cleanest.
Yeah, I thought you guys would catch me.
Yep. Okay, you want to head on up?
Yeah.
Okay, you show Lakeland how you're supposed to slide.
I don't
No, what? You're supposed to teach him how to slide. Okay, he'll come up and slide with you. Yes. Just don't touch the railings. You were supposed to teach him. What happened to you teaching him?
And you're gonna try to fit on this one.
Did you hear her? You're gonna try and fit on this one.
Careful.
Okay, get in her lap. Get in his lap.
One, 2, 3. Whee!
You did it!
Yay! I'll do it again.
Hey, do it by yourself this time.
Did you hear her?
I'll hold your hand.
Oh! You just scared her. Okay. She doesn't want to now.
This.
I'm
No,
not
you
doing it.
you scared her. Lakeland said fine. Oops. If she's not gonna swing, I'm gonna swing. That's what he said. Where'd she go? Wow. How long did you run?
25 minutes?
What did it equal?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
My gloves on.
Your hair is getting so long. So it's even longer last night when it was wet, guys. Oh my gosh, it was so long when it was wet. All right, we are now back at the hotel because Skyline has class online. All right, we had some leftovers from last night. And now what are we doing, baby girl?
Going to the store.
Going to the store, and look, she put on her own eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Give her a thumbs up for that. Show them. Yeah, that's right. Thumbs up. Somebody didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Wearing her out. Ooh. So he came back with goodies from Marshall's and TJ Maxx. He bought those. He bought those. I gotta whisper because Skyline
Express how we feel.
is actually in class.
How we can connect to others.
So we gotta be quiet. So are you wearing those to the aquarium? Maybe. Would you like me to cut the tag off, or would you like to go to the aquarium with the tag on? Oh, it's the new fashion. Okay, I get it now. I get it. Did Skyline give you lip gloss and eyeshadow? Is it marvelous?
Yes, I love it. I love it.
Yay!
Okay, this totally sucks. Why is there a school group? Hey, car, let me go by. Hey, what is wrong with everybody? They're all maniacs. So we were really confused because it was like all these yeah, it was all these employees standing there, and then all these people were leaving at one time, and we just found out that a fire alarm went off, and they're waiting for clearance to get in. So this is good because it's not going to be busy because a lot of people left. Yeah, because I was like, we didn't know what was going on. So all employees get to go back in. We were actually supposed to be here 30 minutes ago. I'm kind of bummed because the fire alarm would have went off when we would have been in there, which actually would have really been cool. Well, I kind of got our wish. We were just in line to get back in. Darn, do we have to leave? I really need to go to the bathroom. Okay, go to the bathroom quickly.
Just hang tight for 1 second. Hang tight for
What did you think about that noise? Was it scary? Yeah. Yesterday when we came to the zoo, this aquarium, we couldn't get down here. There's too many people. So there's going to be a lot less people here, which is going to be wonderful. Okay, he just looks fake.
Oh, there's no ducks.
Oh, there is no ducks.
I'm the dad.
Oh, you know what? I think so. I bet they think you are the parents of baby girl.
That's funny.
The photographer, because of what she said, we're pretty sure that that's what she thinks. Y'all are the parents of baby girl. So in today's vlog, I'm going to hopefully show kind of different stuff than what I showed in yesterday's vlog when we were here. I may not have mentioned that I just went ahead and got a family membership because it was just cheaper that way, because it costs $24.95 a person, and then children are $19.99, I think. So yeah, it just made more sense to just go ahead and get a family membership, and that way I get 50% off other zoos and aquariums around the country. That turtle's up underneath the heat lamp. He really likes that. What do you think? This is so much nicer. It was so, sorry, it was so crowded right through here yesterday. So it's nice that it's not crowded today. And it's a Monday. Yesterday, obviously, was Sunday.
You know how easily I could just snag him? I want to pet him really bad. I want to touch you.
They do have a scenic overlook over the waterway here, but it's a little chilly out. We're not going to do that. So there are snail marks all over this glass. You wouldn't know that's what it was if you didn't see the snail right here. I actually grew up in Virginia, not around here in Virginia Beach, but I did not know that it was a meteor impact that created the Chesapeake Bay's future location. Love the whole area here by the kimono dragons. It's really dark for you to see, but there's like, it's like we're underneath trees. And then the whole bamboo thing going on here. It sets the stage. You excited? Listen to, I love the music that's playing.
Let's get up.
This is the time to come.
Wow, look at that one. I'm having fun.
Wow, I just saw that fish like swoop. See how fast they go when they hit that area right there?
Yeah.
So weird.
It's okay. It's just a loud noise.
It's just a loud noise. It's okay. It just went off again. Yeah, we are right under it. They're evidently having issues with it. That is just downright so creepy. He's like, oh my gosh. Yesterday was better because he was just in the corner down there laying still. But to see him like move around, it's really creeping me out. Oh my god. Oh, this is gross. Okay, why are you looking at me? Don't look at me. Why is he looking at us?
It's Harry Potter, Mom.
It's Harry Potter. No, it's the snake that talks to Harry Potter. Look how he's moving around. That is creeping me out. Like, I'm literally have chills.
It's fun to watch.
Okay, we did not get to see him yesterday because there were so many people right here and he was in that back corner. But look at that snout. What is he? He's a...
Crocodile?
Yeah, he's a crocodile species. He is a crocodile species from Malaysia.
Whoa. Whoa, look at that.
He's cool looking. He has a leaf in between his toes.
Oh my gosh, he does.
Looks.
Colin just realized he has a leaf
Do you see that?
stuck in between his toes. So as soon as you walk in this area, we smell fish. Like, it's really odd, just like right here. Nowhere else do we smell fish except right here. I just noticed, look, like a shark took a bite out of it. We were here yesterday and I didn't notice that.
I pointed this out at you and you were like, oh, cool.
I do not remember that. I must have been so engrossed in vlogging that I totally missed that. We're having a hard time pulling her away from this little area. This one is like, we just want to pick him up and hold him like a pillow.
In there, there's neighbor
Yeah, I did miss him.
There are babies in there. You see them?
They're baby sharks.
Those are eggs.
That's insane. We didn't see that yesterday. Must have been people here.
Fishes, though. The coloring
Wow.
on it, that's really pretty.
Say 7/23/20, and this is January 21.
And you can literally
Maybe
barely
they're
see it
just
in there.
maybe they're just eggs that didn't take or something. They're not going to hatch. They're moving?
You can't see that.
No.
That's the cool part about it.
It's
Is
nice.
that you can see through the eggs and you can see them inside.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get my readers out then. I need to see that. Insane! Oh my gosh, now that I put my readers on, you can see them moving. Where is she? Oh.
I want that fish to come over here.
That is nuts. Oh my gosh. They're both trying to get...
I want it to come down here.
It's doing it again. Put that back. She jumped in my arms. Like as soon as it came off, she jumped in my arms. Yeah, but I think she forgot now.
Okay, good.
Wow. There's another one, Skylar.
He's trying to get...
A couple years till they get big enough, and then we give them back and they're released and then we get new babies.
Oh, really? It looked like he tried to snap at himself. Oh, he's hiding now. Oh my gosh, do it again. He's actually trying to bite at the seaweed. Try it. Do it. Do it.
He's like, why
Poor
can't I taste
baby.
this?
It's, yeah, why can't I taste this? Oh, he tried to take another bite. Poor thing. He's so confused. He is attacked. He's biting his fin. Oh my gosh.
That's not fair. Did they feed him? Is he hungry?
Oh my gosh, he is totally biting at his fin.
If I was stuck in this cage, I'd bite my fin.
I'm really bored.
Joe here, Skyline. If I was stuck in this cage, I'd bite at my fin. Oh, so anyway, an employee just told us they keep them for 2 years, and then they release them. So random. So random. They were really having issues today. But like I said, the first time, everybody was evacuated. He seriously looked like he was posing for you. You need to send me that picture so I can insert it. Oh my gosh. That is so wild. Oh my gosh, the turtle's behind us.
What's the man on the bottom? Look, David.
Oh my gosh, we can see the turtles again.
Yeah, there's a shore. What's the man? Can we go down?
It says
Oh
splash.
my gosh, there's a stingray right here.
A stingray?
Yeah.
Look at that stingray.
That's so dope. Oh, that is their mouth.
This window's cooler. They look bigger. He's a show off for sure.
Yeah, he's a ham.
Kitty now. Probably.
That glass we were just looking at is 7 inches thick, he said.
I'm gonna show you something.
Okay, wait a minute. Not even moving.
I'm reading his thoughts.
You're reading his thoughts? That's awesome. And of course, you exit through the gift shop. What's the song?
Under the sea.
That's Sebastian, huh? That's just like Sebastian. And he sings Under the Sea.
Yeah, under the sea. I like it right in here.
That was absolutely awesome because we're leaving at 4:45. They close at 5. And like I said, it's a Monday. So, we just weren't rushed. It was amazing. Although we've came out now and it's pretty cool. What I don't look forward to... Oh my gosh, it is jumping. We're going to the sea lions and they're like being very playful. What I don't look forward to is the traffic, the 5 o'clock traffic. Yeah, he just jumped out of the water. Oh my gosh, he's so playful right now.
Mom, he's got the zoomies.
He does. Scott says he has the zoomies. I'm waiting for him to jump out again. He's got Yep, there he comes. He's upside down. He's swimming upside down. What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he is so full of energy right now. Give you a little perspective. Here is the seal tank, and then the outside of the aquarium. I'm loving the lights that come on at night. Alright, we're gonna have something that we haven't had in a really long time. Joe's Crab Shack. Oh, wow. There's like nobody here. That's good for us. Wow. They have a playground? No kids, you're not allowed on the playground, by the way.
It's too cold.
Lakeland's a little disappointed. So we get to use our Landrise card. So that's always nice. Earn some points. The tree attacked you.
Do you think they give out chargers here?
No. I love restaurants with cool lighting. Look. So Langley just got home and she's FaceTiming. And the ducks have met her at the vehicle because they want to be fed. I got salmon, Lakeland got coconut shrimp, and Skyland got the seafood ensemble. Is that what it's called? So comment below, are you the type of person that like really likes the burnt part of salmon? I do. I think it gives it extra flavor. Forgot to mention this yesterday, but this hotel gave us some hand sanitizer when we checked in. I don't know if they do that for everybody or if just Wyndham Reward own members. Like, I don't know. We leave in the morning, so it's time to get all this stuff back together and packed. Skyland's over there doing homework. I don't know what he's doing. And baby girl we already took back home, so she can't say goodnight. So Skyland, and since baby girl isn't here to say, give us a thumbs up. It's all you.
What? I'm watching TV. What did you say? I'm watching TV.
Oh, teenager.
Barely.
And you have iPhone. You probably didn't hear a word I said either. All right, guys, give us a thumbs up because my teenagers are not listening to me because their fingers are, not fingers, ears are plugged up.
Yeah, my fingers are plugged.
See, you can hear me. Selective hearing.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today.